schedule and set custom cleaning preferences from your smartphone with the iRobot Home app. Roomba navigates and cleans an entire level of your home with iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization. Dual multi-surface rubber brushes prevent hair and debris jams, automatically recharges and resumes cleaning to complete the entire job. iRobot 960 delivers 5x the power with the AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system utilizing dual counter-rotating extractors and the Gen 2 motor for improved cleaning performance. Includes 2 side brushes, 2 high-efficiency filters, a dual-mode virtual wall barrier, batteries included, dock station and manuals.